Over 300 cases are listed for trial as the October session of the Demerara criminal Assizes commenced on Tuesday at the High Court in Georgetown. Of that number, a total of 178 counts of varying sexual offenses were committed against underage children, which will see over 100 accused persons, predominantly men, scheduled to face a judge and jury. Director of the Childcare and Protection Agency, Anne Green, in an interview with this newscast on Tuesday, lauded the fact that an increased number of perpetrators of these heinous acts are being caught and brought before the courts. This she credited to a number of interventions, but primarily the CPA's one-stop centers, where victims are only required to tell their stories once.
Along with the NGO, Blossom Inc. and ChildLink, we do child advocacy centers where we do the one-stop for children to tell the story on camera, and it's recorded, and so that we can get more prosecutions done, more support for the victims after. So this has resulted in a number of cases going quickly to the courts.
The CPA director posited that the centers have also been providing aftercare treatment and psychological services to the child victims, which she says has been significantly aiding their recovery.
With the new sexual offences court, the children now can they can go to court, yes, and they're not even, the screens there, they're not even seeing the perpetrator and so on. So it's definitely helping.
However, while the cases brought before the courts are testimony to the hard work of the relevant authorities, Ms. Green is adamant that the incidence and prevalence of child abuse locally are still too high.
We still got about 800, and we still counting cases that have not yet reached the court, has not yet been fully investigated. So for me, the concern is child sexual abuse. It's alarming, and every citizen should pay attention to what is happening.
Among those to be tried at the Demerara criminal assizes are popular transgender personality Otis Pearson, Muslim scholar Nizam Ali, and former Bishop's High School teacher Cohen Jackson. Green reiterated that community involvement is integral in the fight against sexual predators. The director urged Guyanese to do their part in helping to protect the nation's most vulnerable by calling the Childcare and Protection Agency on telephone number 227-9709 if they observe any uncanny behavior. For the HGP Nightly News, Amel Griffith.